stylish and durable silverware set. Say hello to the Kingstone 24-piece silverware set. I just got this for my Valentine gift, so I want to share my review. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's unbox the beautiful silverware set from Kingstone. Inside the box, you get a full set for 4 people, 4 dinner forks, salad forks, dinner knives, dinner spoons, teaspoons, and 4 steak knives. Yep, steak knives included. The first thing you notice? That mirror finish shine. This set looks sleek and modern, making any table setting look extra fancy. And check out the modern design, smooth edges, comfortable grip, and no weird rough spots. Perfect for everyday meals and special occasions. Now let's test the steak knives. These have a sharp serrated edge, slicing through steak like butter. No more struggling with dull knives. The steak knive's made of German stainless steel to enhance its hardness for easy cutting and never bent. Whether it's a casual dinner or a fancy get-together, this set elevates your table instantly. And cleanup. Super easy. Just toss them in the dishwasher, no rust, no stains, no problem. So, is the Kingstone 24-piece silverware set worth it? Absolutely. It's stylish, durable, and affordable. If you're looking to upgrade your tableware, this is a great choice. I just love this steak knife. Cutting is easy like cake. This shiny silver flatware set is perfect for Thanksgiving Day, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, housewarming, wedding, restaurant, hotel, or daily use. Want to get yours? Click the link below and add some shine to your dining table. I already got this one for my mom for this Valentine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.